Hi, this is Sarah from The Savvy Professor, and in today's video, we're going to talk about how to fix your washing machine that won't drain. Watch the video until the end to learn how to do this and more. If the lid switch is not closed properly, this problem may occur. A washer can only drain when its lid is closed securely. Locate and press down the lid switch. If the drum starts draining, adjust the lid switch assembly to depress the switch. Another cause may be a clogged coin trap. Coin traps are usually designed with a panel for easy access. Clean it out to see if the tub will drain. This problem may also occur due to inadequate power supply. If the washer is plugged into an extension cord or a power strip, an inadequate power supply may be the issue. To fix this, rearrange things to create room for plugging your washer into a wall outlet. A problem with the machine's drain pump may also cause the issue. You'll hear an unusual noise if the drain pump isn't working properly. If the pump is malfunctioning, contact a professional to assist in replacing it. And there you have it. Fixing your washing machine that won't drain is that easy. Thanks for watching. Till next time.